She saying that she love me, but she don't really show. I don't know. She said that she love me, but then again she don't show it. Wonder if I should give it to her or should I ignore it? Damn. Mind be crazy, off up in the maze. I'm dazed thinking about this shit. How can I get away from this phase? But yet still I know one way to go. All I know is that you for me, for sure. Well baby, tell me, are you ready just to head down that road? Let's go on ahead and take that big step, yeah. I hope you're ready for me, because I'm bringing all what you need. Plenty more's in store. Baby, let me see if it's you that I want to really adore. I want you more.
But if I had to do it all again,
I'll do it for you, babe. You already know it.
but if I had to do it all again,
I mean, what's more to say?
but if I had to do it all again, but if I had to do it all again.
Them days I had you mad when you found out about that bitch. The days you found out that I went and fucked a bitch off in your shit or my shit, whichever one it was. I had mine, you had yours, you fucked up yours. But this was the choice that we chose, the path that we wanted. But yet it's still you're talking about some shit you don't want. And now I see some shit I want and I start to pursue. But yet it's still you hate to see me make my moves. But then again, I know that shit be true. Still, this life is real. Baby, tell me, are you really ready for this deal? And I got one life to live, one to sell. And I know that it's all gonna be so swell, yeah.
But if I had to do it all again,
All for you, baby, I swear I would, you know.
but if I had to do it all again,
I think y'all don't really just understand me, though.
but if I had to do it all again,
I mean, for you, who wouldn't, though?
but if I had to do it all again,
But I'm not, though.